Your question is, do you use mouthwash after using oil pulling? I personally do not use a mouthwash after using oil pulling. After using my oil pulling, I actually brush my teeth, I scrape my tongue, and I floss. And then I use plain water to swish around to once again cleanse my mouth. So there is no need to be using alcohol-based or cetylperidium-based mouthwash, because 98% of the bacteria that are in your mouth are actually not bad. They are good bacteria. And there's 2% of them that are really bad bacteria. And just to kill those 2%, you should not be killing the 98% of them. So ideally, once you have oil pulled and once you have brushed your teeth and once you have actually scraped your tongue, you've cleansed your mouth by actually taking care of the bad bacteria while not hurting the good bacteria. So why do you need to do another harsh mouthwash? I don't see any usage in it unless it has been recommended specifically by your dentist or a doctor. Thank you.